Oh, yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. What a gorgeous day. It's right now. Oh, that's a warm sun for October 31st. It's nice over here outside of Tampa. Working on my bike, where normally right around now I start winterizing it. I don't have to do that. Yeah, that was arrogant. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, so one of the things I'm going to talk about, and what we're going to do today, the brand that I love, and stupid bucket. The brand that I love, Harley Davidson. Love the sound of the bikes, love the looks, the colors. Oh, and even when people customize them, how they make them look, you make it their own. Just the culture, the people. Yeah, I just love everything about them. The only part that really hurts is the price tag on them. That's the part that sucks. And one particular model that I fell in love with is the CVO, the Road Glide CVO. Oh, on my other videos, you see me pointing it out and kind of taking video clips of them. And the truth is, the main thing that I love about them is a spoiler they put in the front. I can't justify the price tag that they have on those just because of the look. Yeah, the engine's high performance and goes faster, whatever it is. That's great if you love that stuff. I'm not mocking it. Me, I just love the look. I'm all about the sound, the feel, the community, and the look. So, my best friend, Mark, brother, I love you, as a see you later gift. We made it clear it's not a goodbye, but as a see you later gift, moving from Palatine, Illinois to Newport Richey, Florida, he went ahead and got me the advanblack trim, the actual spoiler, color matched, and the grill, it's all color matched. That's what I'm going to be installing today. I'm not going to go into details how to install it. I'll leave a link of the video that I saw and how to install it. Just showing you in a time-lapse, really fast video of what I did, how I did it. But not step by step. And then a before and after. So we could take a look and see how it looks and see if it's worth it. I had my eyes on it for a little bit. But it was almost $1,000 on their website. As of this video, it was almost $1,000 and had other things I got to take care of, like, moving. So thank you, Mark, for this gift. And that's what we're going to do. We share the before, one last time. There's some other things I'm going to tweak slightly to give it that more sportier look. You guys know that I use a tall windshield because the windshield it comes with is garbage. And the windshield that the CVO comes with, it's a joke. I think it's just decor. And it sounds like I'm mocking it. But look what I did. So I got this a while ago. This is the CVO windshield. It does absolutely nothing. Just looks nice. So there you go. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to go ahead and put the trim on and see what it looks like. I'm not qualified to operate a screwdriver. And I'm going to do it. So if I can do it, if this ends up being well, and I can do it, any of you guys watching can do this. All right, let's get started. So the kit comes in 3 boxes. Small, big, that's the spoilers. And that other box was the grill. But I'll show you guys that when I'm done. In here, let's see if we can do this. See? Another form of the bucket. It catches your tools. So that's fun, right? Because, so that's fun, right? This advanblack is not part of the kit. We use it for moving. So, I feel professional. Stupid. That's the box we want. Okay. So. So, in here, oh, these are the hardware pieces. Screws in it. Okay. Stupid bucket. All right. Kind of making you guys dizzy. Sorry about that. Look at that. Oh. That is so nice. So this is going to go over here. All right. Back to installing. I am beat. So it took longer than I expected because I had the thrashing skid plate and the radiator cover doesn't go on with that on. So had to take that off. Then went ahead and assembled everything and noticed that one side bulges more than the other. So I had to take everything apart again and check it, and everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be. So not sure. Not going to complain about it. It's one of those things that is going to be an OCD, but it still looks fantastic. So here we go. That just looks crazy good. I mean, the color is spot on. So the other side doesn't line up to the radiator cover as flush as the other side, but it still looks great. So there it is, the spoiler and the cover. Love it. One of the things I'm enjoying about it here while I'm frustrated is seeing all the kids running around through the streets, realizing I get to do this, install this in Florida. And this is a community where everyone's just waving at you and everything. The Chicago part of me is ready to flare some words I shouldn't be flaring. It's an awesome community. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So walking around the neighborhood, trying to chill out after a little episode with my bike. Check this out. This is the coolness he gets to run into. He's jamming it out with music and everything. This is better than Six Flags. Did I pull on that?
And let the spirit guide your way. Wanderers of the night, heed my orders. What you may experience here will be for eternity.
So after having a bad day putting on the spoiler on the bike, this ain't too shabby. Take a walk around and everything, and this is pretty neat. You got a little. This is sweet. The mastermind right there. The front door? This is crazy. I'm gonna probably come back later tonight and do a quick segment so you guys can see this lit up.
So back here, VIP if you want to see. This is the command center. I can show you all this.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Ready?
Yeah.
So I can see with the camera right up there.
Yeah.
These lights, which are the only lights in here at night.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn them off. Once those go off, there's a speaker right here, right? Check this out. Let's pull this up. There's gonna be a jump scare for them. We got foggers over here. We got everything. And
You went all high tech, dude.
Little noises, little things. Yeah,
Dude,
command center, dude.
No,
I get to sit back there and relax, have a drink.
Yeah, and watch everyone slipping.
You gotta head up that.
The living have arrived. Within this domain, the sounds of rattling bolts and horrifying screams fill the haunting air. Enjoy your unfortunate missions. For I guarantee you will not be here for long.
We got a bucket.
So frustrating project, if you can call it that. Some of you guys probably could have problem solved that in 10 minutes. It took me almost all day. But I got it on. And again, like you just saw with my neighbors, chit-chatting, kind of calmed it down. Awesome neighborhood. So there it is. My advanblack. Spoiler and cover. You know the routine, guys. If this is your first time to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Hit the subscribe button. And check out the next stuff we got coming up. All right. God bless you. Take it easy. Peace.